Welcome to my very first serious YouTube video. I have some old videos on here that I have privated, and then there's like 2 that are still up, but we won't consider those a part of the new era. If you're from TikTok, hi, I'm so happy to see you here and I hope you enjoy. Let's get on to the video. I figured we would pack together because I'm going to the beach. I actually leave tomorrow, so of course I'm waiting for the day before to pack, and I'm not even packing everything. I work all day tomorrow, so I'm not even gonna have that much time, but it's one of those situations where you kind of like need everything the day of, so why would I pack everything the day of, if that makes sense? But this is clothing edition of packing. You guys know I love the beach. You can tell by my entire room. I mean, like, clearly you can tell. But I guess I should probably get my suitcase first. Also, now that I'm looking at myself, I don't know if I like this outfit. Low-key, I'm giving like a lumberjack or like Buffalo Bill or something. That's how I feel right now. Also, guys, say hi to Cara. She's my precious little angel in the corner. That's all she does all day long. She just lays there. Okay, so I'm going tomorrow, which is Thursday, and coming home Sunday. So we're pretty much there for Friday and Saturday all day. So I only really need 2 good outfits, which I actually already came up with them, so. First outfit, I have to like crouch down because of the camera. I really wanted to bring this shirt from Beginning Boutique. Ugh, it's not focusing. Tell me this is not the most beautiful top you've ever seen. Like, the detail and everything, it's stunning. And then I figured I'd pair it with this denim mini skirt. Since it's such like a wow kind of top, makes sense for the bottoms to be more casual. That is one outfit. And then my second nice outfit, this top from Aerie. It keeps trying to track my face, so I'm like trying to stay out of it. It's really sparkly, which I love. This skirt from Altered State, and it has shorts. But here's the kicker. I was thinking I could wear this off-the-shoulder sweater from Princess Polly on top. It looks so cute all together. So we've got our 2 like going out outfits, and technically I only really need 2 bathing suits, so I'm bringing this one from City Beach, Australia. The pattern is so cute and I love the color. You'd be surprised that I really don't own many bikinis at all. This one's depressing because I was sent this bikini from Tropical Society, and when I went to Florida at the beginning of the summer, my self-tan exploded in my suitcase and it stained the top. The bottoms are okay, they're just a little cheeky, but I don't know if I should just bite the bullet anyway because my white bottoms also got destroyed. I promise it's self-tanner, but like that's the worst spot that could have happened, and also on the string. So definitely can't wear these anymore. And then when I found out that those had been ruined on the flight, I did get another pair of white bottoms in Florida after that, and then in the flight home, those ruined bottoms kind of like destroyed my new bottoms. A very faint yellow mark on these bottoms, which is really annoying, but Cara, I hate when she wants out of my room. I think I'm gonna wear them anyway though. One of the days is just gonna be a boat day, so I'm probably gonna be wearing shorts over top for the most part anyway. It's not like we're gonna be at a beach filled with a ton of people, so I'm just gonna bring these anyway. Hopefully it is not too noticeable. I'm not gonna buy a whole new bathing suit because it's the end of summer, so yeah, not doing that. But I am gonna bring these bottoms just in case. I'm probably gonna wear this top with the white bottoms. The bathing suits are done. Come closer. This is the clothing I have packed so far. I'll show you what I'm gonna wear on the way down. I just got this package yesterday from a brand called Happy Camper, and it's so cute. When I tried this on, I was like, I'm definitely bringing that. It's a little sweat set. We have these pink camo shorts, very comfy, and then matching zip up. It says Happy Camper on the back, and I'm not even really a camo kind of person, but pink camo, like, are we kidding? I'm wearing this on the way down so I don't have to actually like pack it. Just gonna set it aside. I can't even pack my favorite sweatpants ever because I'm gonna wear them tonight actually. Actually no, I'm not gonna wear them for sleep. I always need sweatpants. I love wearing long clothing to bed. Maybe that's kind of weird, I don't know. Bringing these sweatpants from Brandy. I think I'm gonna bring this Italia top from Brandy as well. And like, I'm probably not gonna bring sweatshirts and all that because it's gonna be hot, so like even at the place we're staying, I don't think I would want to wear like a hoodie. Next, I just need some cover-ups. I do love these shorts from Hollister. They're super easy to throw on. I think probably also this off-the-shoulder shirt from Brandy, also easy to throw on. And I think also just this top from Aerie, because I can wear it off the shoulder and I love off-the-shoulder things. So that's pretty simple to wear with like a bathing suit underneath. I'm trying not to overpack, okay? I think I am gonna bring one more casual outfit just because I don't know if we're gonna like go shopping on Sunday or anything. I have just the outfit. I just got this top from Aritzia recently. The only problem is I actually got it off of Depop, and the girl said it had only been worn once, but the sleeves are just so long. Like when I wear it, it hangs so low and I don't remember it fitting like that when I tried it on in the store before. So if anybody knows a way to make sleeves shorter, let me know, because I really want to alter it somehow so that it fits perfect. But anyway, I'm gonna bring this, and I think also these pants from Abercrombie. They're baggier, casual, comfy pants, so I just feel like they would look good. Just gonna pair it with a Natural Life top underneath. I think I'm good on clothing, so now I just gotta make sure it all fits. All of my toiletries and everything are also going in there, so everything needs to fit in this suitcase. Okay, I managed to get everything to fit in here pretty well, and it honestly looks so colorful, which I love. You guys know I'm such a colorful person. And then of course I'm saving this for the drive down, so that's not getting packed. But let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you want to see a vlog while I'm at the beach. I think that would be kind of exciting. I could do like a little weekend of my life, so let me know what you guys think. I will continue the rest of the packing tomorrow when I feel like I'm able to actually pack everything. Also, really quickly, if this is your first time seeing my video on YouTube, I'm a TikTok creator. My name is Kayla Marcelina, but you can call me Marcelina because I actually prefer that. I post a lot of outfit inspiration videos, and I have a very beachy, summery, colorful vibe. If you're into that, definitely check me out on there. Make sure to like and subscribe to follow along my YouTube journey as well. This is something new, so I don't know if I'm gonna continue it or not. We'll see, but I think it'd be fun. Bye!